से आपका आभारी हूँ। बाबा जी आप आए और कार्यक्रम को आगे बढ़ाएं।
Right. Thank you very much for taking this the formal episode of the event very well handed over. And now we wanted that we must know more deeper about each other, and Dubey Sahab very well identified and flagged some persons, but then there are more persons. Since we are expanding the group day by day, so we must know each other. And before we invite Arvindji to take over that, Dubey Sahab mentioned me that Mr. V.P. Agarwal sir was here when we were planning that this episode. And then it so happened when the time came to Hyderabad, he had to go to US because he had already booked the flights. So he has sent one message which I will read out with your approval. And he is so gracious that he had sent one bouquet of flowers also. So first I will hand over that to you. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much.
He is very fond of roses, very kind of. That roses he has sent it for you. And a very good message.
इससे अच्छा बियर वेयर भी छुप जाएगी ना सर आप हमारे जो प्रमोटर हैं ना खाते नॉनवेज खाते हैं ना दारू पीते हैं
Mr. Agarwal has sent heartiest congratulations to the IIT Bombay alumnus Mr. Ambar Dubey on his very prestigious appointment as Chief Executive Officer Aero at Adani Airport Holdings Limited. Ambar Dubey, who has been partnered with consultancy firm KPMG and head of aerospace and defense, some time ago joined the Ministry of Civil Aviation, Government of India as Joint Secretary. Ambar is Chairman Aviation at US-India Business Council, American Chambers of Commerce of the Aviation Committee of FICCI and ASSOCHAM. There are many things we do not know, but he being in the helm of affairs and he is able to visualize that. Thank you, sir. Mr. Dubey's journey stands as a powerful commitment to the values instilled by the IIT's ecosystem, excellence, integrity and leadership. His appointment to this pivotal role during his various positions in the aviation industry and other organizations demonstrate years of his concerted effort, focus, vision and commitment to building institutions that contribute meaningfully to India's growth story, which is need of the hour. Welcome, Jindal. As you know, the Indian aviation industry is largely untapped with huge growth potential and opportunity. This kind of young and energetic leadership with focus on quality infrastructure and efficient operations has achieved the vision of becoming the third largest aviation market through private investment and skilling manpower, besides providing conducive environment and safety critical for passengers ease from any type of stress. He has sent his special best wishes to Mr. Dubey. Once again, we extend you our best wishes too. Thank you, sir. Now I will request Arvind to introduce the guest, and I must mention Arvind has been following up with each of you day and night, because bringing a group of houseful is not very easy. So one has to be very patient, and everybody knows about him, but he has been working hard to reach to all of us. I must flag that, and to ensure that we are present today in a big number. You can see that. I know that, and I know Mr. Arvind in many capacities. We have worked together at IGA Airport in different disciplines, but in the same timeline. So we know each other. While he is having a much wider experience and he has traveled a lot at other stations, but he had been leading and handling the cargo management teams in a very efficient and effective manner for which he is known. And he has served Mumbai and Chennai cargo management centers too. And having the longest serving airport director at Patna, the flag he carries is worth applauding. And then he retired as General Manager Cargo from Airport Authority of India. And sir, over to you, Arvind ji.
थैंक यू सर, थैंक यू। सबसे पहले मैं अपने बाबा साहब के विषय में बता दूं उन लोगों को जो इनसे परिचित नहीं है। बाबा साहब retired in 2016 when I retired.
Yes.
He retired as GM Personal Relations, but before that he served in chairman office for so many years, and by virtue of that he has got enough expertise in various fields. So with that I'll start mentioning about others one by one.
Yes, please.
आलोक राज जी हमारे DGP बिहार retired just last month. Incidentally, he is in town, so I took the opportunity to invite him on this occasion. कामरा साहब हमारे आजकल एरा एयरपोर्ट इकोनॉमिक रेगुलेटरी अथॉरिटी के मेंबर हैं। उससे पहले ED RED दिल्ली और ED इंजीनियरिंग इत्यादि की भूमिका निभा चुके हैं। भाई साहब के विषय में तो क्या बताना, सबको मालूम ही है। अंबर दुबे जी की प्रशंसा हम लोग इतनी कर रहे हैं, पर जिस एक विषय पे मैं इनका प्रशंसक हूँ कि फेसबुक जैसे माध्यम पे लोग अपनी तारीफों के पुल बांधते हैं, पर अंबर दुबे जी 1% जो अपनी हम्बल केंद्रीय विद्यालय भूमिका का बचपन का जिक्र करते हैं, तो मैं उसका प्रशंसक। मिश्रा साहब तो हमारे एयरपोर्ट डायरेक्टर IGI रहे बरसों। रंजीत कुमार जी हमारे साथ IGI कार्गो में हुआ करते थे बरसों। संजीव जिंदल जी ED इंजीनियरिंग रहे हैं। विशाल कश्यप जी एडिटर हैं एविएशन वर्ल्ड मैगजीन के। कैप्टन सुजीत ओझा एक पायलट हैं और एक फ्लाइंग एकेडमी चला रहे हैं। इनके बड़े भाई हमारे कैप्टन अजीत ओझा दिल्ली के न्यूयॉर्क फ्लाइट इंडिया के ले गए हैं, इसलिए उन्होंने इनको आज के आयोजन में बीइंग एन एविएशन में